Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to talk about nouns. Everything in the world has a name, such as people, places, animals or things. For example, mother, father, school, book, table, cow or hen. Nouns are the words that name people, places, animals or things. Simply we can describe nouns are naming words. For examples, tree, kite, girl, Tom, dog, temple, etc. Children, here are flashcards with noun. Flowers, mother, home, car, ball, hands, door, novel. There are many people around us. We identify with certain names. Mother, father, teacher, friend are the names of people. So, a noun can be a name given to a person. Children, name a few animals you have seen. Cow, cat, dog, elephant are the names of animals. So, a noun can be a name given to an animal. Where do you go to study? You go to school to study. School is the naming word for the place. So, a noun can be a name given to a place. For examples, school, home, park, beach or zoo are the names of places and thus nouns. Children, what are you sitting on? Are you sitting on a chair? Chair is the naming word for a thing. So, a noun can be a name given to a thing. What other things you see around? Car, bag, clock, book are the names of things which you see around.
Let's learn about nouns.
Let us see one story. Importance of nouns.
It is a nice sunny day. Everyone is playing happily. Balu says, "Pass me that." Gul picks up a stone and says this. Tota picks up a flower and says this. Hop holds up her ball and says this. Jojo picks up a banana and says this. Popo takes an orange and says this. Then Balu says, "No, you." Gul says, "Me." Tota says, "Me." Hop says, "Me." Jojo says, "Me." Popo says, "Me." Crow is watching. He asks Balu why he is asking for this or you. How would anyone know what he means? Didn't he know the names of these things and people? Balu apologizes and says, of course he knows the names, but he was just teasing. Crow says, Naming words are very important to make meanings clear. Otherwise, no one would be able to understand each other. Naming words are called nouns. Are names of people, places, animals, and things. Anita and Jay are names of people. So Anita and Jay are nouns. Forest is a place and New Delhi is also a place. So forest and New Delhi are also nouns. Elephant and monkey are names of animals. So they are nouns as well. And phone and umbrella are names of things. So these are also called nouns. Balu explains that he knows what nouns are and also how important they are. He was just being naughty and trying to trouble the others. He says he is sorry. The others say it is okay. They learnt about nouns because of his teasing. They invite him to play with them.
Children, this is how the animals learned the importance of nouns. Children, let us find a noun. I have taken some flashcards here. Find the noun. What is your father? In this sentence or question, father is noun. Second sentence, the king is very kind. In this sentence, king is a name of a person. So, it is a noun. I saw a brown bear. In this sentence, bear is a noun. I see a blue bird. In this sentence, bird is a noun. This room is very spacious. In this sentence, room is a noun. He works in a bank. In this sentence, bank is a noun. This is my umbrella. In this sentence, umbrella is a noun. That is a pencil. In this sentence, pencil is a noun. Children, this is how we learn noun. Father and king are the names of persons. Person. Bear and bird are the names of animals. Room and bank are the names of places. Umbrella and pencil are the names of things. Children, let us see a song
sing. Today I learned a noun can be a person, place, or thing. A person, place, or thing. Grandma, sister, Uncle Harry, school, them all my town's library. Lunchbox, elephant, blueberry, a person, place, or thing.
Children, this is how we learned nouns. Let us meet into the next e-learning class. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.